Good evening, everyone. A warm welcome to this Sunday evening 8 p.m. session on 7th July 2024 on color therapy from our prestigious Basuraj sir. So let us all give him a warm welcome for this session. And I request everyone to please stay in the session till the end. And whatever doubts you have, you please ask in the chat box only. Okay. So that the questionnaire session would be short and only requested or very much emergency doubts would be cleared online, okay, particularly to individuals. And otherwise, all the queries will be answered in the chat box. And Basavraj sir, there are foreigners in this session, so we request you to please go a bit slow so that all can understand. Okay, sir?
Sure.
Yes, sir. A warm welcome, sir. Please take over the session. Thank you so much and gratitude for your time, sir. Good evening.
Yeah. Good evening. Good evening, all. So welcome to color therapy session. So there are different methods of healing in our body. So in this color therapy is one among, and it giving most of the time it is giving immediate relief and cure. So again, this color therapy also based on energies. So like yoga, acupuncture, acupressure, EH. So many medicines and so many different types of healing methods what we use, especially few years old ancient methodologies. So most of those healing methods is correlated to the 5 elements. So in this color therapy also, so most of this techniques what we are using based on this 5 elements only. Again, there is a concept of Vata, Pitta, Kapha and yin and yang. Those things will be there. So again, all those things is correlated to the two energies. One is high energy, another one is a low energy. The high energy, we tell Pitta or yang. The lower energy, it is Kapha or yin. In color therapy also, there are some colors which is having higher energy, which is making you warm, energetic. And there are some other colors that makes you relax, cool, and nourished. So in these two colors, we are differentiating in this color therapy. Obviously, we record both. For example, we will tell red and black, sky blue and green, black and white, purple and pink. Like this, so many colors, even though their characteristics and their efforts may be opposite. But when you're implementing to the patient, you have to carefully observe that we should implement both the energies to the body. So our human body requires both yin and yang, or pitta or kapha. Why we require two energies? Anything in this earth, it has two energies. Either it is a humans, animals, plants. The first energy, all the species on this earth, the first energy receives through water, fluids, food. It is a yin energy or kapha energy in Ayurveda. The second energy is light. The sunlight, which is in the form of photons, what we are receiving, that makes you warm. It's a pitta. That energy is required to function that energy is required to create circulation in the body and as well as to heal body itself. In so many ways, it requires both the colors. So many times we make mistakes. To the patient, we give either yin or yang, or pitta or kapha. You can't give any one energy continuously because after certain period of time, if anyone depletes, you get the related symptoms. If pitta is low, you can easily see there is a depletion of body functional energy. If kapha is low, you can see the nourishment problem. So that's what we are using colors to balance both the energies, yin and yang. So these energies we are receiving through different colors. Of course, color is not only the method to heal. There is a different method of healing in in the earth. You can see so many different methods as you listed. Can you see these things? All together, we call it as a vibrational medicine. It may be acupressure, energy healing, batch flower, gems, chromotherapy, sound healing, the magnets. Even in Western medicine science, we are giving some radiotherapy. So all includes some vibrations. Will this vibrations is required for the body? Even in modern science, we are using so many the vibrational diagnosis methods like scanning, MRI, heart rate, so many things. How these two medical systems differs each other? Which one is better? We think both are good, but if you ask as a healer, both are required. The Western medicine science, it directly involves in biochemistry of the cell, biochemistry, biochemicals of the organ, tissues, and body. At the same time, parallelly, what we are using color therapy, it is completely depends on vibrations of the organ. Our ancestors believed each organ, it works in different vibrations. Each organ. Instead of dividing the organs into stomach, kidney and all, they divided into chakras. The one which is having highest frequency, the one is Mooladhara which is having highest wavelength. They divided the given system into different vibrations. So this is Sahasrara, which is correlated to the which color? Anyone? Not indigo. It's purple or violet. Instead of treating the different organs, it may be a cervical or brain, ears, eyes, they correlated to the one color. It's purple. The next is indigo, Agna Chakra. Next is sky blue. Next Anahata is green. Then Manipura is yellow. Then Swadhisthana is orange. And Mooladhara is red. The conclusion here is the organs which is in the lower part of the body, they are having lower vibrations. They are lower vibrating organs, which is related to almost kapha. The organ which is related to spleen, stomach, kidney, it is related to kapha energy. The middle part of the body, which is liver and Jataragni, which is related to pitta. The organs which is above the diaphragm, it is vata. So little higher vibrations compared to the lower part of the body. Even their characteristics also like that. Kidney always likes darkness. It's always correlated to the root of the plant. Have you seen any root outside? It's very rare, no? Any one or two plants may be there, but most of the plants' roots are invisible. They are into the darkness. They are into the coldness. Same similar characteristics you can observe in your kidney. How to keep your kidney healthy? It's very simple. Keep yourself into the darker mode. Keep yourself into the nothingness state. Keep yourself into the rest. Relax with a dull, slow light. But if you tell this concept to a doctor, normally they won't believe. But this is true. It's working. If anybody of you are feeling any discomfort in the urination or in the back pain or in the prostate gland enlargement, just I'm telling you, apply black color across your kidney. You can see the magical changes. Just in the lumbar reflex, in the kidney reflex, just apply black color. Within few days, without surgery, you can come out of that sciatic. You can come out of disc bulge. Within short period of time, your urine inconsistency will go off. Really? Is it possible? Because so many patients, they're suffering with urine inconsistency with years together. Many people, they're suffering with the back pain decades together. By taking so many painkillers, they're damaging the kidney. I've seen many patients like that. Believe your lumbar energy is completely depends on your kidney coldness, kidney darkness. Whenever I say kidney, you should remember the root. Whenever you say roots of the plant, what is the color of it? It's a inside the earth. complete darkness. How the plants of the kidney, the plants of the root is healthy? When they are into the darkness. The second concept is when they are into coldness. Just pick any plant and touch the root. How you feel? Moisture, cold. The same thing you should feel with respect to the kidney in your body. It should be cool, moistured, plus darkness. It is very difficult to achieve in this the lifestyle of the world. Normally, as I grown in the childhood days in our home, 7:30 completely darkness. By 7:30 we are sleeping till next day morning 5:36. Your entire body into darkness. That is where your kidney regenerates. That is where your entire body detoxify itself. No uric acid, no creatinine, no phosphorus, no sodium, no cholesterol. That's why most of our ancestors are healthy and energetic. For today's generation, the world starts from evening 4 o'clock onwards, 5 o'clock onwards. That's the where they start work. That's the time they start to go to outside, to movies, parties, to meeting friends. So many people they are going to gym and yoga at evening 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock night. So I'm not telling those do's and don'ts, but I'm telling you what your kidney requires. Kidney requires coldness. When you should give that coldness? When nature is cool. That's what in a traditional Chinese medicine, the organ clock, it is representing when kidney is in active mode, evening 5 to 7. That is the time where your body and the nature is completely relaxing. That is the where your kidney is going into the darker mode, night mode. If kidney is having enough coldness, if kidney is having enough darkness, in your lifetime, you never get back pain. I will challenge you. No sciatica, no lumbar spondylosis, no ankylosis spondylosis, no hip pain, no knee pain. Never. 100%. Why? You are into darker mode. If you take a tree, it is completely, roots are closed and wet. Tree is good. You do one thing. Daily, you open the roots and again close it. Open the roots, close it. What happens? After few days, because the root is exploring to the sunlight, it become dry. When, when roots become dry, it becomes shrink. When it is cold and moistured, it is swollen, normal in size. When it is exposed to the light, sunlight and atmosphere, it becomes shrunken. Like that, randomly, if you scan 10 patients today, out of 10, 3, 4 patients, their kidney is shrinking. Doctors are telling it's within normal range. Even if you go with the doctor, if your creatinine is 1.1, 1.2, they will tell your creatinine is normal range, no need of treatment. But as a healer, we know it is alarm. It has to be treated. So many patients we see today, the kidneys are shrink in size. What can we do this? It's very simple. You have to give the energy of coldness, the energy of darkness to the kidney. Just apply like this. One black and two blacks in kidney reflex and one block line and across the lumbar reflex. You can see the magical changes within short period of time. Along with this, try to give some cold food, not in the evening, in the afternoon, like raw vegetables, salads, buttermilk is excellent food to create moisture of your root. What's your root? It's kidney. Just keep your kidney cool. There's a two ways you can keep kidney your cool. One, zero state of mind. Second, freshly cooked food with in nature, or the food which is in black in color, or food which is in kidney shape. Give that food, apply black. I'm, I'm just telling one color. You might have listening this color therapy first time or you know already. But I'm just telling the practical application of the colors. You may export in so many other therapies. But in this course, we will explore you into the practical aspects of the colors. How each color we can change the patient mindset. We can improve the physical health. Within short period of time, how you can relieve the pain. Black color is not only making you free from lumbar or lower back issues. This black color that makes your mind into the zero state. Most of the diseases what the human beings are suffering today, it's because they are unable to switch off the mind. We are teaching our kids how to switch on. We are teaching to our kids how to switch on the mind. We are giving so many motivational talks, the motivational stories. Yes, you can do it. You can do it. Do it. Achieve it. Do score more marks. Earn more money. You be in the top. Always you should be in the top. We all as a parents, we are very great because we are triggering our kids' mind. We are encouraging our kids to study, to earn, to achieve. By doing this, maybe the upper vibrational energy may be happy. Purple, indigo, dark blue, green. They are very happy. I'm achiever. I'm a topper. But the lower vibration energy, especially below navel, below diaphragm, Manipura, Swadhisthana, Mooladhara. They are opposite inside. Especially the root energy, the Mooladhara, the root chakra, is always telling you, switch off your mind, switch off your activity, switch off your ego, relax, calm, just do the inner journey. Who is correct? I have 7 chakras. I need both. I need to enlighten this, I need to enlighten this, both. But as a parents, as a team leader, we are doing small mistakes. The small mistake is we are teaching our generation, our kids, our followers to switch on the mind. We are not teaching them how to switch off. Because the today's generation, they don't know how to switch off the mind. They are getting into the diseases. That is the main cause. You may label different names. Heart problems, pancreas, diabetes, acidity, gastric, constipation, menses issues. You may label different names, but try to understand how your body works. The human body is not like other animals. All other animals, for them, food and rest is enough. They don't have any other emotions most of the time. Especially they don't have fear of death. The only animal which is having fear of death is human. Because that fear, because of the fear, the kidney is shrinking. Why? The fear is not allowing your mind to switch off. Many patients, they're coming to clinic, no, they're telling, gut bud, stress, restless, do something, do something. They're requesting us to switch off their mind. Almost 30 to 40% of the generation, they are having some of one or other issues, physically or emotionally or mentally, because they're unable to switch off the mind. There also we are labeling anger, irritation, fear, anxiety, depression, worries, negative thinking, different labeling. But if you think in vibrational perspective, their upper energy, Vib Gayar, the upper energy is high. The lower energy is low. Supposed to be like this. The root chakra or the kidney energies are going low, low, low. The upper energies, the mind energy is going up. Your mind is very powerful consumer of your essence. Do you know that? If you have 100 rupees of energy in the body, the 40 rupees is consumed by your mind only. It's a use percentage. the 40% of your essence is consumed by your mind, your thoughts, your emotions. How to stop? How to minimize? How to switch off? It's required to lead healthier life, stress-free life, and to maintain physical fitness. I'm doing physical activity, going gym and eating healthy food is not sufficient. That requires, along with that, we need to teach our generation when to switch on and when to switch off. This is required. How we can achieve that? Just black color, apply on both the thumb, below the nail. Try this.
So please repeat, sir, why it is used.
Because most of the diseases what we are suffering today, it's because of lack of essence in the body. For example, you are earning 100 rupees, out of which your mind only consuming 40%. The remaining percentage is available very minimal energy for other vital organs. Because they are not getting energy to work, they are getting into different problems and different diseases. When you get diabetes, when digestion system is not having enough chi, in TCM it's clearly told, spleen chi deficiency, liver chi stagnation, and stomach chi deficiency. That is leading to the diabetes. That is leading to the pancreatitis. That is leading to the acidity. Your organs are not getting enough energy to work. Either your input is less or you are consuming more. Either one. You are feeding the food which doesn't have energy. Like we are giving genetically modified food that doesn't have energy. So organ is not getting energy, they are not working. If bladder is not working properly, we will call urine inconsistency, prostate gland enlargement, with different names. In today's generation, in two ways we are deficient. One, we are giving the food to the body which is not producing energy. Due to that, your organs are in deficient mode. They are not working. The second reason is you are giving smaller energy by giving organic some good food, but your mind is consuming more. I'm not telling any comparison with anybody. Just compare you yourself with your father, your grandfather. How much they are working, how much you are working. Physically, mentally, both. Today, we are traveling minimum 100 kilometers or 50 kilometers in a day. Yes, Traveling consumes more energy. After traveling of 50 kilometers, how you feel? Feeling energetic? So even today, I am here after traveling of 65 kilometers. I went to clinic, seen 150 to 200 patients from morning 8:30 to 6:30. I came here just 7:55. Took bath, had some snack, took cup of tea and sitting here. My father, out of his 70 years of lifespan, is not traveled even 1,000 kilometers. Do you believe that? They are not traveled even 1,000 kilometers. They are always marrying just nearby village. They are marrying the girl of which is next village or next village, 5-10 kilometers, maximum 20 kilometers. You know the word famous Ampi. You know Ampi, the Vijayanagara Samrajya, which is there in North Karnataka. Famous is a temples and all, which is just 25 kilometers from my village. My mother recently died in Corona at the age of 70. She's not seen that world famous Ampi, which is 25-30 kilometers. They are not regretting. My wife is asking, you're not took to foreign trip, you're not took to the Himalaya, you're not taken to me to the some dazzling. But I not seen my mother asking to take out of state, out of country, North India, South India, Kanyakumari. No. They are very, very, very happier within the circle of 50 kilometers. All their celebrations are happening within the circle of 50 kilometers. And that too, they are working only 6 months in a year. The entire India, just 40 years back, they're working only 6 months. After Green Revolution only, now they are working 12 months or 8 months. June monsoon starts till Makara Sankranti, January, they're working. After that, no work. Physically, mentally, completely switch off. But we can't do anything. We are in metropolitan cities. We are working. We are doing business. We are doing blah, 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 blah. In this scenario, how to take care of your kidney? It's very simple. Keep yourself black. Yesterday, I'm just taking some classes of color therapy in Kannada language. There I just shown the tip of the fingers apply black color and even here. After the class, after 9:30, I just remembered I just sit on the bed. I'm just opening eyes. It's morning 5:30. That's how you sleep. That much deeper rest you will get with the black. No wake ups. No, even not even you won't remember I'm turning this side or this side. Apply black tip of all fingers and below the nail of your thumb. Your sleep will be deeper, deeper, deeper. How much deep you sleep, that much coldness you acquire. That much of darkness you acquire. that regenerates your kidney. That's enough. You are normally you are over utilizing the energy. You are earning 100 rupees, spending 120 rupees. That's how you live a life. That's how you spend. How much you eat, how much you work, maybe physically or mentally, I don't know. So I wish you all of you, if you want to be a healthy and happier life, satisfied life, please learn how to switch off your mind. That will reduces your sadness, that reduces your ego, that always keep you to near to zero. See, this is your zero, the universal energy. Your desires, your work, your stress, your travel, your achievements, it's keep on taking away from zero. Only black color is making you to travel towards zero. You may think, just please teach me other colors, sir. I don't want black. All other colors make you expenditure. Black ones it's a saving your energy, taking you to near to zero. See, if you want to become rich, the second thing you have to earn more. The first thing is you have to save the money. You have to save the energy. Have you read Poor Dad, Rich Dad book? In that is telling no author, how much earning is not important. Along with the earning, how much you are saving. That is economics. This is energy healing. We are also applying same principle. If you want to be like a beam, you know beam, one of the Pandava, how he is? Yes. If you want to be a beam, the first you have to learn how to switch off your mind. If you want to be Hulk, you know Hulk, how strong it is. You want to be a Hulk, the first thing you should learn how to save your energy. If you leave your mind, it's always going away from zero and creating anxiety, fear, unwanted desires. I want this, 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 this. If you ask the young guy, he will tell, I want to love all the girls in the class. That much of love, that desires it creates when you are away from zero. I want all achievements. I want to take even aeroplane. That's how your mind works when it is on. If you teach your kid how to on and how to off, he will not only living, achieving life, he is also living in satisfied life. We're seeing so many achievements, still there is no fulfillment in the art. There is no fulfillment. Why? Why you are feeling that gap? Because day one, we are grown such a way that I should be the topper. I should take more salary. I should earn more. I should have more big car. I'm telling you, do all those things with zero state of mind. Do everything and be ready to lose everything. Ready to lose everything. That is what your black color teaches you. That is what we are learning, the concept of root, the root chakra. It's so powerful energy. Do you know everything in the universe creates from zero? Even stars, galaxies. Like that, in your life, you can create anything what you want. To do that, you should always near to zero. You should train your mind to switch off. If you are unable to achieve that now, at least to switch off your mobile in one day. Switch off your mobile one day in a week or one day in 2 weeks. So that later your mind will become switch off. It's required. I'm not telling you to switch off only for the mind purpose. To save your energy. Through food, through your activity, you are earning very less energy. Try to minimize your expenditure. Do you know how much you earn? How much you spend? Your energy will store in 7 form after eating. Rasa, Rakta, Mamsa. Juice, blood, muscle, fat, bone, bone marrow, and the vital energy. The kidney essence. It is storing in 7 stages, 7 formats. Juice and blood is having very lighter density, very light. Bone marrow and kidney essence. Bone marrow is a very denser energy format. Do you know how much speed your mind is running? You can't imagine. You are burning the bones. Your mind heat, your stress, because you don't know how to switch off the mind, your mind heat, your stress is burning the bones, dissolving the bones. You got shock. There is a calcium stones in the kidney, the calcium deposits in the gallbladder, the calcification in the heart. From where you got that? The calcium will be there in the bone. How you got in the gallbladder, in the kidney, in the heart? Have you shocked? No? Have you questioned yourself? Why? How the calcium came there? Because you are unable to switch off your mind. It's running. It requires more energy to watch Facebook, Instagram, to movies, to talk, to earn, to achieve, to work. Your mind requires more energy. First, initially, it is try to take the energy from the blood, then from the muscle, from the fat. If not available, then it goes to the denser format, bone marrow. So, your body dissolving the bones and taking the energy from there. The calcium, it will deposit here and there. In the gallbladder, in the kidney, in the urinary bladder, in the heart, in the mind, here and there. Doctor will tell it's a calcification. Even doctors also telling sometime, no? You're getting kidney stones because of stress. You're getting gallstones due to stress. But the logic behind this is our father learned how to switch on and switch off the mind. We are not learned that. Your grandfather used to teach to your father, do whatever you want, pray the God, and tell him you given everything. If not given also, pray the God. God not given anything. Very simple, powerful mantras. God not given to me. That's it. Everything given to the zero only. If they got 1,000 crores also, they'll tell the word. Everything given by the God. Then his ego becomes zero. The moment you tell, I did this, your mind in the on state is expecting somebody to appreciate it. It's expecting somebody to watch this. Because you did, no. If you take all the things and place it on the zero, everything given by the nothingness. How is your mind? Cool, relaxed. No burning of fat, bones, nothing. You are zero. You are zero. Even after achieving so many milestones, you are zero. That is what the lesson taught from your grandfather to your father. But your father forgotten that. He is explored to the modernization, capitalism. And we learned one special characteristics from Western countries. What is that? Run, 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 run. Don't stop. Run. On the way of run, your energy will exhaust, get BP, sugar, thyroid, back pain, sciatica. Still you won't stop, I know. Still you learn. So this is the difference between you and your father and your grandfathers. To go back to the era of energy, you have to use the black. Black will nullify your excess thoughts and that will take you to zero, and that keeps inside into the darkness like roots under the earth, under the soil. Like that, you will be into darkness mode with the less energy spending, with relaxation, with regeneration, with inner journey.
Sir, I have a question here. Uh,
Yes,
Now we have so many depressed people around. Can they also use black? Will it help?
100% it works. We've seen n number of miracles with black. If no color works, black works. You can try. Anybody is having any issues, try black. I'm telling very simplest way. Blacks reduces your expenditure, reduces your the excess energy and make you to zero. And it takes you near to zero. Okay. Any questions in this black?
Sir, please go through the chat box. People, those who have gallstones and also kidney stones, can they also use black, sir?
Yes, madam. They can use.
Okay.
Gallstones, kidney stones, all are damp heat only. when you put black, so that nullifies that. You can keep this overnight or in the daytime 4 to 6 hours. Okay.
Is there anyone who can't use black, sir?
Anyone who can't use black,
No.
who is very lazy, not doing anything, simply spending life doing nothingness. Like, no need to put. That further makes you low. Or sometimes your life is like a sinusoidal wave. Even if you go down, from there you rise up. Sometimes after putting zero, once you go, you reach a zero, then you become more active and energetic. So blacks, if you are in the higher energy, makes you low. If in the lower energy, it makes up like a sinusoidal wave.
Got it, sir.
Okay.
So
For
can we
any infections, you can use black. Blacks is not nullifying you. It is also nullifying the bacteria within you. If I have a stomach infection, put black color on the stomach reflex. If I have a urine infection, put black color on the urinary bladder. If I have a lung infection, on the lung reflex, you put black. So like that, black is not taking you to zero. It is also taking bacteria to the zero. It is nullifying the bacteria and virus and fungus. Anywhere, any infection, just use black. It will clear within 2 to 3 days. Then it works wonderfully. If you have a tooth pain, tooth infection, just apply on the tooth reflex. That's it. It nullifies the bacteria. If you keep it here, it nullifies your mind. Okay. Wish you all the best.
so many queries in the chat, and can we go for the queries?
I told UTI.
Yeah.
Heart blockages you can put.
For heart, we can use black.
Yeah, you can use.
Okay.
Heart is exhausted with so much of emotions and stress.
Yeah.
Make it zero. It rises up.
Great.
Okay.
Yeah. So can we take some questions, sir?
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. 1 second. Swati, please unmute. Yeah. Once again. Unmute yourself, please, fast. Yeah.
Hello. Actually, I want to ask for hypothyroidism. Where should we apply black color in thumb? Hello.
Hello.
For hypothyroidism, where should we apply?
You can apply here and you press this thyroid reflex.
Okay. And for heart blockages and heart diseases?
Yeah, directly on the heart reflex, you can put black.
Okay. It is also for heart and lung, both.
Lungs, ear, heart.
Okay. Middle point.
Okay, fine.
We can use black clothes to cover our body.
Yeah,
Like,
that's what. So many different occasions we use black. That makes you zero.
okay. It is also working. It also works.
100%. So many people, they do nonsense throughout the year. In the December, they put black color and they pray the Ayappa Swami in Kerala. That relaxes their mind. They started doing good things. They nullifies themselves. That's the power of black cloths. Okay, fine.
Sir,
Yes,
namaste, sir.
namaskaram.
Past few years, young lady, 35 years young lady, having a water cyst in kidneys, sir.
Water
Only one. Water cyst.
cyst in kidney.
Yeah. Every time it is remaining there, sir.
Okay, just apply, instead of black, you apply yellow.
Oh,
It removes
okay.
the water. Okay,
Acha.
thank you.
Okay. Sir. Thank you very much.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Sir, my son get infected with TB in lungs, sir. Any color?
Infected with
TB, tuberculosis in lungs.
black on the lungs you start. Later you can apply, after 1 or 2 weeks, you can apply purple.
How much time, sir?
Daily 4 to 6 hours.
Okay, 4 to 6. And so much headache in only left side, sir. This place so much headache.
The black color will remove any headache.
Okay.
Okay,
Thank you so much, sir.
thank you.
Hello.
Hello, Edima.
Sir, regarding kapha problem, sir, as soon as I eat food, immediately kapha starts coming, sir. It is unable to eat food only, sir.
See, it is a problem of stomach, not problem of lungs. Your lungs never creates any kapha. It just stores the kapha. Kapha created in the stomach, in the spleen. The kapha creates because of indigestion.
Okay.
First, don't eat the food which is sweet in taste and cold in nature.
Okay.
Like dairy products and the sweets, don't take. And you have to warm your stomach so that kapha clears. Just use a little small quantity of ginger and pepper in the food.
Okay.
Okay. Then on the stomach reflex, here just apply sky blue color.
Okay.
Okay. So your problem will solve in 3 to 4 days.
Spleen also, sir.
When you raise stomach, it goes spleen also.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Okay.
Arun Bala, ma'am, please speak.
Hello.
Good evening. Good evening, sir. Sorry.
Good
Hello.
evening. Good evening.
Sir,
Sir, I'm sorry. Please, बोलिए. Please. Thank you.
sir, if the patient sees foamy urine after applying black color on the correspondence of kidney,
So that it is low. Your kidney is already cold.
mhm,
Sometimes it foamy starts, but
then
it's
what to do?
problem of kidney only. It's a problem of spleen also, because your spleen is very damp cold.
Foamy urine.
Yeah, foamy
The
urine.
problem is foamy urine.
Yeah, foamy urine. It's because of dampness in the body.
Okay. Then what to do?
Just you press the reflex of spleen. In that
Okay.
area, you apply orange color.
Okay. Okay. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
When spleen enhances, when spleen yang deficiency goes down, your urine become normal.
Okay, sir.
Normally,
Okay, sir.
you be careful when you're treating kidney and heart. 90% of the time, your kidney and heart won't affect directly. Because of long-term illness in the spleen and pancreas, that makes the problem in kidney. The long-term illness in the liver, that creates the problem in the heart.
Mm.
So that's what, before treating kidney anytime, first you have to treat the spleen and stomach. Before treating the heart, you have to treat the liver and bladder first.
Then
Okay.
problem in liver, sir?
No, it's the spleen and stomach only.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
thank you.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Sir, my daughter is
1 second, please.
running.
Switch on your
Yeah.
videos, or else I won't be able to pin you. And those whose videos are pinned will be here. So please switch on your videos so that you can be pinned. Thank you.
Yeah, ma'am. My video is switch on. Sir, my daughter is running full time pregnant. She 9 months running, and she can't sleep in the night, whole night, because her palm and soul burning, and stomach and back area also sweating, and she have depression and anxiety also. So can this black color will work on the tip of fingers?
Yeah, black color works. That makes better nullifying the energy. But more than that, your daughter needs circulation to the her limbs. Because of that, she's getting burning sensation.
Okay, sir, what to do, sir?
But in pregnancy, be careful.
Yes, sir. Because 12th of this month is her date, because she's doctor is doing C-section, and 12th July is date for her delivery.
Yeah, better avoid the colors. Okay. So instead of that, once or twice, you just apply press on the spleen reflex.
Only, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
only spleen is responsible for food burning. Nobody
Okay, sir. And sir, black color in tip of fingers, not
Yeah, you can apply tip of fingers and as well as tip of the toes, you can apply black color.
for sleeping, because she can't sleep whole night.
To apply black color, it improves the split. In turns, it reduces the burning sensation.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Normally, 90% of the diabetes patients are getting food burning sensation. But normally burning, we think it's excess of yang. Due to that, they are getting burning. No. You will get burning because of lack of circulation there. The local cells are raising the request to the body to get the circulation. So that's the burning sensation that you can clear just reducing the spleen dampness. Okay, thank you. Yes, madam. Anything else?
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir.
Good
Sir,
evening.
putting the black color all the tips of the finger and on the back of the thumb for the whole night, will it work or it will be more
It will
time
work.
consuming?
It works wonderfully.
And it will bring down the blood pressure also?
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Nita ma'am, please unmute and talk.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Sir, as you said that that indigestion and gastric and also spleen dampness, sir. How to reduce spleen dampness, sir?
Just you can apply orange color on the right hand, ring finger and kapha joint.
Ring finger and?
This is a third joint. I'm showing here.
Yeah.
Just apply orange color. It will clear.
Ring finger, third joint.
Yes.
Okay, sir. And that UTI, sir, you said black color on the correspondence?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Namaste, sir.
Namaskaram.
Sir, one problem. Yesterday, my one of relatives, 18-year-old girl, fell down from the bathroom and her ACL is strained. ACL ligament tear is there. The pain is there, and from knee to ankle it has swollen. We can do something, sir, with color.
Knee joint. Just put yellow color ring here.
Yellow color.
Ring on right hand, ring finger, middle joint.
Okay. Yellow color. Okay.
Sure. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Ashish sir, please speak.
हाँ सर, माइस्थेनिया के पेशेंट में ब्लैक कलर यूज करना जरूरी है क्या?
Yeah, you can use definitely when the mind got relaxed or healing starts in the body.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Kripalini ma'am, please speak fast.
ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಸರ್.
Namaste.
ನನ್ಗೆ ಈ 6 ತಿಂಗಳ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಗಾಲ್ ಬ್ಲಾಡರ್ ಸ್ಟೋನ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಫ್ಯಾಟಿ ಲಿವರ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ನೋಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕೋಬೇಕು ಸರ್ ಕಲರ್?
Fatty liver and gallbladder stone. Left hand index finger on the kapha joint put orange color. And vata joint put green.
Orange and green.
Yes.
Only left hand, sir?
That's enough.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Raju sir, please unmute.
Hello.
Hello.
So, namaskara, sir.
Namaskara.
Sir, for skin allergies and some rashes or ringworm.
Excellent.
Which color can
Around the ringworm, you just apply black color daily.
Okay.
It will clear.
For rashes, sir.
Skin rashes, just put black is enough here. If ringworm, any infection on the skin, around the infection, you put black. Okay. Fine.
Bhamini ma'am, please unmute and talk.
Good evening, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I wanted to ask about the type 1 diabetes. Where we can apply the color, sir?
On the pancreas reflex, you have to apply the black.
Pancreas reflex here on the palm. On the left side or right side, sir?
Left side is enough.
Left side, black color.
Yes.
Okay, sir. And sir, for the cholesterol, high cholesterol.
Left hand, index finger, kapha joint, you put orange color, it will clear.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. There's one more question in the chat box. Someone is having very high heart rate. What can be done?
235.
Two things here. If anybody heart rate is more than 100, 110, first check their palm and foot, whether it is cold or warm. Because heart rate will rise when your body is become too much cold. To make you warm, then heart rate goes high. Even when you have excess of heat also, heart rate goes high. So to anybody, if their heart rate is high due to coldness, okay, then you have to apply red color. It will raise the heart rate immediately. And sky blue here. Sky blue and red. If someone is having high heart rate due to heat, then both the middle fingers below the nail you put pink color. It will reduce your heart rate within 10-15 minutes.
Sir, at 235 also, will it reduce with pink?
Yes, any heart rate. First you have to be clear whether that heart rate due to coldness or due to heat.
Yes, sir, got it.
After diagnosis only, you have to apply the colors. Okay. So all these techniques we'll learn in the color therapy slowly. It is going to start from June 10th in Joshi's Kela group.
July, sir.
July 10th, even though they're telling 5, 6, 7, 8 days, but my color therapy goes behind 10 days only. So I thought of 5 classes in Kannada, but it's gone more than 11, 12 classes. So here also, so not number of days. Finally, it is important thing is how better we can learn, and practically you have to implement what I am going to teach. Okay, I'll take care of that. So practical implementation of colors, okay, from the coming Wednesday onwards. The one biggest advantage of learning with Basva Active Academy is daily we treat 150 to 200 patients. My patients are my trainers, my masters. After giving any point, any color, they will tell whether it is working or not working. So if it is working also, I am learning. If it is not working also, I am learning why it is not working and what is any alternative points or colors. So definitely you can learn this color therapy, practical oriented color therapy. From the day one, you can see the magical changes and you can get the results. Okay. See you, madam, on Wednesday then.
Yes, sir. Can we take this last query, sir?
Yes.
And we can end. Thank you, sir. Yes, ma'am, please unmute.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
My mother has breast cancer and she is fibroid. So in that we can apply black color on it.
Where exactly?
Bright breast, fibroid.
Then you apply on the reflex of the breast.
Okay, sir. Black color?
Yeah, black color you can apply. 3 days you apply black color. Next coming 3 days you apply orange color.
Okay, sir. Okay. One side both? Both breast? Yeah, only single?
Yeah. Yeah, 3 days black, next coming 3 days orange. Like that you can repeat.
She has one side, not both sides.
One side is enough.
Okay, sir. Orange. 3 days black, 3 days orange.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. See you on Wednesday. Good night. Thank you.
Gratitude for this session and time, sir. See you on Wednesday. So tomorrow, everyone join at 8:30. And thank you, everyone, for joining this. And from all of us, thank you so much, sir. Good night. Everyone can send your thanks to sir.
Thanks.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Basavaraja sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very